This is everything you need to know to waterproof your bathroom. My name's Mark. If you don't waterproof your bathroom right the first time, you could have a lot of problems down the track. Before we start, we're going to make sure the surface is nice and clean and dust free. Now we're just going to add some surface primer to prime all the surfaces that have to be waterproofed. Once the primer is dry, we can apply the bond breaker in all the corners and all the joints. From here, it's time to apply the waterproof membrane to all walls and floors. There you have it. How to waterproof your bathroom. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips.